In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. If you're actively searching for a new role, job alerts can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually checking LinkedIn every day for new openings, you can have relevant opportunities surfaced automatically based on the kind of job you want. This is especially helpful if you're targeting a specific role, company, or location, and you don't want to miss new postings as they appear. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top navigation bar. From there, click the Jobs icon. This takes you into LinkedIn's job search area, where you can explore openings and fine-tune exactly what you want to see. Once you're in the Jobs section, click into the search bar and enter your desired job title, keyword, or company name. For example, you might search for a role type, a skill, or an employer you're interested in. Along with that, enter your target location so LinkedIn can narrow the results to the area you care about. Being specific here usually gives you more useful alerts later, so it helps to think carefully about the type of opportunities you actually want to receive. After that, apply any additional filters you need. This is where you can make the search much more tailored to your goals. For instance, you might choose remote if you only want work-from-home opportunities, set an experience level that matches your background, or use date posted if you want to focus on the newest listings. Taking a moment to adjust these filters can make a big difference, because your alert will reflect the search you create. Once your results look right, look near the top of the search results page for the Set Alert option, which may also appear as Get Job Alerts for this search. When you find it, toggle that switch to the On position. That's the step that tells LinkedIn to start notifying you when new jobs match the search criteria you've chosen. At that point, your job alert is created. From then on, LinkedIn can help keep your job search active in the background while you focus on preparing applications, updating your profile, or networking. If you want the best results, make sure your search is as accurate as possible before turning the alert on, since that helps reduce irrelevant notifications. And that's how to create job alerts on LinkedIn quickly and effectively.